Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 5i. Today I'll show you how to make phone call via Google Assistant. So firstly, let's tap on Google app, go more and go to settings. Tap on voice and go to voice match. Make sure this function is on. Now simply say, "Hey Google, call Lily."
Calling Lily. Mobile.
And that's how process looks like. Unfortunately, in my cell phone I don't have SIM card insert, but in your cell phone it should work just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.